Well, I'm just going to do a quick update. Oh no, it's a bit of a mess at the moment. I'm not too happy with the water blocks. As you can see, I've got one in, and the other one, if you look at the videos, it seems there's two different version PCBs. The top one, as they say, version 1, and the bottom one, version 2, and there's no compatible water block at the moment. So I'm more likely, if the one does come out, I will buy the water block, but I'm more likely going to wait now until the new Nvidia brings out some new cards, and I'll mostly buy them. But after all, it keeps my temperatures down, so that's what I was looking for. It's not neat, but it does the job for the moment, and I'm not happy with that. I made a bit of a boo-boo there. I've had to stick that on because the drain port there pops out and attaches itself to the fans, which is not very good. But we're getting now. Did notice though, I've only got, you see the pump in the back now. It's all going off one loop at the moment, and the pressure seems to have gone down. That's because it's now pumping through that water block there. My idea is to eventually get a second loop, put a pump on the back, take that 140mm fan out, put 120mm one in there, then put either a quad or a 360 radiator with the fans. But I've got some ideas I want to change. The RAM in here, as you said, is going to be taken out. It's going to be Corsair GT 2000s put in there. I have got now, I'll show you, I've now got two Samsung spin points, so that's 2 terabytes I've got, so I'm happy with that. They're ready together. That was fun to do, I had to reinstall because I kept on getting blue screens of death. But that's all sorted. The next one, computer wraps up. Let's see. I've got one in there at the moment. We'll be getting another one. That's about it for the moment. But progress is getting on. I'm not too sure about my case. I think I will keep the case. I just have to change a few things. And once I've got everything I want and put together, I'm going to have fun because I'm going to take the whole lot apart again. I'm going to spray the case and mod it and see what I can do. I'm watching everyone else's videos. I'm not going to copy, just getting some ideas and that. But they're going to start there. I'm going to use that, the 360 water block radiator. That's eventually going to cool my graphics cards. And like I said, I'll either get a quad or a 480 or a 360 radiator at the back, and that'll do the CPU. I'm going to change the MOSFETs with some cooling blocks on now. I might even change the North Bridge, South Bridge, and get one of their cooling blocks put in now. Leave the reservoir on, keep that pump. I've been looking at a reservoir with a pump inside. You can put one in there, and it takes up 2.5 bays up. That's not a problem, so I'm just going to eventually get a LG Blu-ray burner, so that's all I want in there. Graphics cards, I'm not too sure. See what Nvidia come out with. They bring out like the 295s, whatever they're going to be called, 395s. Get a couple of them, or it'd be like the 285s, 300s, whatever they're going to come out with. I'll have 3 or 2. Let's see what they come out with. But that's the progress so far. And that's about it. I'll show you the lights coming up. I'm still happy with them. They come out quite well. Yeah, it's just a normal blue light. UV blue. You can't see much because it's too light. But overall, still happy. It's been good. And some of this is really helpful from TJ Harlow's tutorials. He's been really helpful. I do love his tutorials. Keep watching them. He gives you good ideas. So TJ, keep up the good work. Let's hopefully I can get some more done, as long as I don't blow it up. so far it's quite good. Look at some of the other videos I've done, they're the little short ones of what I've been doing. But, that's about it. Get some more money and do some more updates. Thanks a lot.